Here I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So, to update apps on your Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, you'll have to open Play Store here on it first, then tap here, go to the My Apps and Games section, and here you have the whole list of apps that you have installed on your device. You can update them by one by tapping update here by them, or you can just update all apps by tapping update all. This will take some time, but after that all your apps will be up to date. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.